Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Fruity Things. In this video, I will show you duck, fish, snail, turtle with clay. And in this video, I will provide basic information about each of them. Please give a like if you find the video is useful. Let's go to the video. Fish. Fish is a cold-blooded aquatic organism that breathes with gills and swims with fins. Small fish feed on sea plants, while big eat these small fish for survival. Fish are found in rivers, ponds, oceans, and many other water bodies. And next one, duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds and may be found in both freshwater and seawater. A baby duck is called a duckling and a male duck is called a drake. Ducks can live up to 20 years depending on the species and if well cared for. And next one, snail. A snail is a shelled gastropod, which are animals with no backbones. The shell on the snail helps protect it and also reduces the loss of water by evaporation. Snails do not breathe through their mouths. Instead, they have a breathing hole under their cells. Snails are born with their cells. As the snail grows, the shell grows too. Land snails are annual. Others are known to live 2 or 3 years, but some of the larger species may live over 10 years in the wild. Next one, turtle. Turtles are reptiles of the order Testudines that have bodies encased in bony shells. Turtles lay their eggs in a nest that dig in the sand with their rare flippers. Turtles do not have any teeth at all like a bird, they have a beak. Some species live 10 to 20 years, while others can live up to 150 years. Turtles eat worms, snails, insects, jellyfish, and most tortoises eat only plants. Thanks for watching. Please give a like if you find the video is useful. Please subscribe my channel Fruity Things. Thank you. Please like this video.